Understanding the phrase, sweat bullets, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the intriguing phrase, sweat bullets. This is a fascinating expression in English, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. The phrase, sweat bullets, is an idiomatic expression in English. It's used to describe a situation where someone is extremely nervous or anxious. The imagery here is vivid. It's as if the person is sweating so profusely that the drops of sweat are as large as bullets. This expression is often used in situations where there is a lot of pressure or stress. It's interesting to explore where this phrase comes from. Sweat bullets likely originated from the hyperbolic nature of expressions in English. The word bullet adds an intensity to the phrase, emphasizing the extreme level of nervousness. It's a great example of how English often uses strong imagery to convey emotions. Now, let's see how to use sweat bullets in a sentence. It's important to use it in contexts where there is a high level of stress or anxiety. For example, I was sweating bullets during my job interview. She was sweating bullets while waiting for the exam results. Notice how the phrase vividly conveys the feeling of being extremely anxious. There are other expressions in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, nervous as a cat on a hot tin roof. This means being extremely nervous. On pins and needles, this refers to a state of anxious anticipation. Understanding these expressions can enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, sweat bullets, and how it's used in the English language. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this add color and depth to your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.